Hello, I'm Ted and welcome to my world of modelling again. I hope you're keeping cool. I'm struggling a bit. So anyway, this is it. No automator this week, but I haven't had much time because I've been on holiday for a week. Went to the Isle of Wight, Shanklin. So I've had time to make this though. This is like, I'll call this one the Holiday Island. All Driftwood.
Even the hotels as well?
It's Driftwood as well. Well, it's just, I had a big piece of Driftwood. Through cutting it carefully, I managed to form the this little bay, you see.
Yeah.
I've got another piece, but the same size, which I'll probably use for the same thing. But the hotel it is Driftwood. All those are natural colours.
Yeah.
I've painted the roof pieces, just colour effect. But that is natural. I've just added the windows, obviously. But all that as it come off the beach, those colours, that's why they look a bit tatty. But I haven't touched those.
Well, it looks better, doesn't it, when it's weathered?
I think it's more,
when it's weathered like
it's
that.
more natural looking, I think. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
The sails on this little boat, they're shells.
And you're saying that the shells?
Well, those are just they're just shells.
Oh yeah, the
yeah, they look quite nice actually.
They're quite effective
I think
sails,
they're really nice. I've got quite a lot of those. The boats, they're ever so easy to make. I'll just show you. You can actually make one of those in a few minutes. Just go to the middle out with one of these grinding tools, and then just put it on the sander and form the shape. The actual seats are just these sticks you get in fast food restaurants.
Oh yeah.
Just cut them to size. Dab of super glue, and then when trimming them down after you've glue's gone off after a couple of minutes. You'll probably make one of those in 10 minutes. It's that easy.
Yeah.
Just using one of these.
It's quite effective, isn't it?
It is, yeah. What else is there? The flagpole. I mean, that's just simple. Look at these tent pegs.
Oh, it's a tent peg, is it?
Yeah. Hacksaw at the middle. Then
Yeah.
so far. Right. Then prepare your cut for height. This a bit of cloth. Right. How to do it? Oh, that's right. Dab of super glue.
Yeah.
Pull it down, and then obviously this is plain flat. Whatever glue you choose, as long as you pull it down flat like that. Then you shape it afterwards.
Yeah.
That's one method. Another method, if you want to be able to raise the flag, is I just use fishing line. This is £13 fishing line. The lighter line work, but it's so difficult to handle. So hold that in the middle by some means, and then glue of your choice. When that's gone off, just cut the flag to shape, and then you can raise and lower that as you want. It's an easy way to do it.
Yeah.
What else? The foliage is just, you know, the aquatic shops. You know, for the aquariums.
Oh, yeah.
I've just cut them down a bit, just for scale. But they look quite realistic.
Yeah, they work well in this scene, don't
The life belts. Could have been. Oh God, I didn't bring it with me. I should have brought it with me. A hole. You know, there's hole saws you get. They're just automatic. I did a long length. There's some more at the back, look. That's drill at the middle and a hole saw.
Oh, I didn't realise there was something around the back.
So you can do a whole long length and then carefully cut them off to the width.
Yeah.
And just round them. So they're ever so easy to make. Just you can make dozens of those in no time at all. The dinghies are actually, you know, there's stuff you buy in the garden centres for tying the plants up.
Oh
A
yeah.
bit of wire in the middle.
Yeah.
Just cut that to length. Super glue. That's all they are.
Yeah.
Glue some paper on the bottom, and then these again. These
They're sticks, yeah.
Glue them across. Look.
Yeah.
They're easy to make, very quick, but quite effective. the ladder again is two sticks. Put some about 1mm wire. Just hold two sticks together. Using your pillar drill. Drill the first one. Put one of those through temporal and at the bottom. Then, depending on what scale you want, drill all the holes. Push all the wire through. And just using super glue. When they've gone up, which only takes a few seconds. Sand the ends flat, and then trim it down carefully with a pencil line, so you can do whatever scale you want.
Yeah.
And it's so simple, as small as you want, as long as you've sanded it down carefully. That's all that is, and that only took fairly realistic looking. Probably 15 minutes, that's all.
Is that all?
It's another quick method. I was probably spent as long painting it trying to simulate the rust. But those are quick and easy methods you can use. The wave, that's just polyfiller mixed with white PVA glue. If you wait for it to go off, pick just the right moment, it's easy to shape. Very easy. It goes off really hard using the PVA instead of water. So it's quite a nice effect. And
Yeah, it does look like a very realistic water, doesn't it?
Well, it's just like turquoise, a drop of darker blue here and there, and then white.
Yeah.
And then just a couple of coats of water-based gloss varnish that dries really quick. I think quite a nice effect. I give all the driftwood a coat of matte varnish. Seals any dust, makes it nice to handle.
Yeah.
They're just nails, old rusty nails. But it's all easy to do. Never took, well, I've had much time, it's been an holiday. But as you can see, quite effective. And the fact is, it didn't take very long to make.
Easy when you know how, isn't it?
Just practice. But it's something anybody can do. You just need a bit of patience.
Yeah.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
Did you know what you're working on next?
Yeah. I don't know how to describe it really. I'm sticking with the sports though.
Yeah.
It's coming about with cycles. I'm actually using, I don't suppose you've ever read Ride magazine, but there was like a cartoon character, Ugly. And I've got a comic book with all these different motorcycle scenarios with all different types of bikes, and some being a bit naughty as well, you know, speeding and whatever. But I'm going to use those characters to form like an automata. But the thing is, I'm going to make it, I've figured out how to do it now. The bikes are going to all go at different speeds.
Yeah.
So it's not just going to, you know, it will vary. There'll be a speed cop. He's going the quickest. Chasing a bit of a turn away, but chopper box and everything.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. I've started yesterday actually.
Yeah.
I think, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to work, so what I'll probably do, before I show the finished article, I'll make sure everything works and I'll sort of strip it down a bit and do a how-to video in probably about 3 weeks. And then maybe the following week, assemble it all, finish painting, show how it was done, probably make it a bit more interesting. So, it'll probably be mid-August, I should think.
Okay then.
So, until then I'll say, keep cool and enjoy your modelling.